Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a new ink pad to share with you and a couple other items to share with you. I'm so excited. Are you ready? Marigold. If you did not pick up Marigold when it was in the kit, go get it quick. It does come with the refill ink, so if you have, once you get the little mini inks, you can fill that one up too. But Marigold is gorgeous. It's not an orange, well, I'm sorry, it is an orange, but it's not bright orange like our regular orange. So let me grab orange really quick, because I want you to see, this is my Stephanie bag, I want you to see, that's my Marigold, so this is my Marigold, and this is my tangerine. This is the real orange, and that is the Marigold. So look at the difference. The lids really do it justice, because it's perfect, that's it. So it's a softer orange, which I prefer, because if I was gonna grab orange, I'd grab Marigold before tangerine. That's just me. But that is now available on the website, which is very exciting. We also have 2 dies that came in our kits a long time ago. We have some extras, and so we thought we better put them on the website. One is the words best wishes, and the other one are these fun little talk bubbles. And these fun talk bubbles are so fun. In fact, one of my design team members, Kristen, used it this month and didn't even know I was releasing them separately, but there it is. Hello you. Isn't that fun? And they come with the shadow dies, which is really nice. So there's 6 dies in this kit right there. We also, and the best wishes. We also have a mystery bag of word dies. Now, if you're watching this video and you go to the website and search the mystery bag word dies and it's not there, that's because once it's gone forever. So this is a limited edition item. There are 5 word dies in here. You never know what you're gonna get, but you're gonna love them. Word dies and the shadows. So there's technically 10 dies in here altogether. I don't even know what's in there. I should go check it out, but I'm looking at it saying I need it too. Club members, of course you get the club discount on all of these items. Oh, and by the way, on the mystery bag, it's like a $55 value. That's awesome. Go check it out. Club members, of course you get the club discount. If you're not in the club, go join. You're missing out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.